Hey guys, today we're going to be, me and Bailey Jones are going to be making a video about an epic challenge. We're going to be sitting at the wall like this, and whoever does it to the longest wins. And then and try it at home and like the video and
Subscribe to me.
and subscribe to Bailey Jones, who's his channel, and Ollie Agnew is my channel. And so let's get on with it. I'm going to go first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. 66 seconds.
Okay guys, it's Bailey's turn, and like this? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You go, Bailey.
Ollie's turn.
So we already did it, and
Yeah, this is the end
it
of
was a challenge, and so make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe.
Yay!